And this is day 2 for preparing our game for incoming commercial league. Let's go! Pero ngayon, may kasama ako. Pero si Romeo, masiyain. Lagi lang nakangiti. At syempre, gwapo.
Sabit lang daw.
Si Jervy naman, lover boy, shooter, carry ng Pinas. Vlog to man. So ngayong araw ay gagawin namin ay skills, finishing, and also 3-point shooting. Nag-start na rin kami ng dynamic stretching para di mabigla katawan namin. Nagsimula kami sa RDL warm-up dribble. And next naman, between the legs float. And next, behind the back float. And next naman, in and out cross. And next naman, back leg push between. And next naman, back leg push behind.
Now behind the back.
And dito bumili muna kaming tubig kasi sobrang init, tanghaling tapat. Then after namin bumili, nag-proceed na kami sa another workout. You know?
Next one are these float dribbles. Float, burst forward for the finish. You got his hip swivel combos. This is working on being comfortable with your hips facing away from the hoop, how you transition them back towards the hoop. So again, you start in that float, but then you turn your hips and explode forward.
So next drill naman, bad pass sa 3-point. And next drill naman, movement shooting, field drift, and also down screen. Kaya pa pre? Sponsor daw guys. Guys, baka naman. Kalawang na to guys.
Ibigay na.
Yung tubig galing na wasa. Ayoko na. Galing siya. Yung pa. Guys, for namin. Layo niya pre.
Pwede man ko ng sampal ito. Ubutin ka dito.
And then after ensayo, kumain muna kami Jervin.
FC. Apat na manok.
Apat yan? Tanghaling tapat, araw ang kalaban. Pero hindi yun ang dahilan para kami tumigil sa laban. Tawa, laro, kahit pawis ang kapalit, basta kasamang tropa, solid ang bawat saglit. Walang coach na gumagabay, pero dihad lang para kami sumabay. Buuin mo ang passion mo at mabubuo mo rin ang pangarap mo.